Hi guys, today is my birthday today, and before this celebration I really want to record this video for you and tell you thank you so much to my subscribers, because you're not only my subscribers, you're like a family, because we trade together, we set new high goals together to make money, to make our future, the future of our close ones, perfect, better. And of course, I have this YouTube channel not so long time, but actually I understand that it's part of me and I really want to do this. It makes me so charged, so positive, and that's why I really want to tell you thank you so much. And I really think that today we're going to have the great trade, and so we are getting started. So guys, today we are going to trade on Quotex platform, and I try to overclock my deposit again. Our startup capital is $10 and the first rotation is at support level. At this moment you can watch that the price has already touched this level 2 times and even gone beyond and then pulled back up. And now it's approaching our level, and let's wait for the price to touch the level and then enter a trade with up. You can see the strong impulse to our level of support, and here we're opening a trade with up for the pullback from the level. So guys, let's see what happens here. Well guys, there is the pullback up from our support level and we are getting the profit here. Well, let's go on. The next rotation I want to work out right here. We have waited for the price to touch the support level, and so I'm opening a trade with down. Also on the pullback from the level for 1 minute time. Well guys, let's see what we can get here this time. And of course, do not forget to join my private chat. In the description of the video there is the information as well as the link to the channel. At the moment of closing the trade, the false breakdown happened. That is, the candlestick broke through our level and then went back. And our trade has closed in the profit. But you might have noticed that this is a good potential for rising here, so I suggest enter a trade here again. So let's wait for the price to fix over the level. It must break it through and then go up higher, and then we will enter a trade with up. Well guys, the candlestick has broken through our support level and you can watch it's going higher, and here we are entering a trade with down. I think that the price will go up after breaking through and then we will get our trade net positive. Well guys, let's wait for the results. Well guys, it's awesome, our trade has closed in the profit, the price has gone higher, and at this moment you can notice a small pullback. The strong impulse up makes me think that we can open a trade with down, because there will probably be a small pullback down here. Well guys, let's open a trade with down and check what we can get here. Well guys, it's great, our trade is positive again and we have got the brilliant pullback here. The price has almost fallen to our support level, now it has become the support level, and after the price broken through it. So I suggest entering the next trade right here. Let's open it with up on the pullback from the support level for 1 minute. Well, let's check what we can get here this time. It's brilliant guys, from the support level there is a strong pullback up and we are getting our profit again. The next trade will be right here. I really want to open a trade again with down on the point where the price has already bounced. I think that the price will come to our lower support level again, because after breaking through there is a small flat, or we can call it the retracement. Well guys, let's wait for it to close. Well guys, there is a brilliant draw down to the support level and we are getting awesome profit. Well, let's find another situation. Here you can see the resistance level and the good uptrend as well. The price has been moving along the level. You can notice that the price has already touched our level several times and bounced down. At this moment you see the price has broken through our level. So I suggest entering here with up. Well guys, let's check what results will be here. Well, it's awesome. After a small pullback, the price has continued to rise. 2 minutes time was quite enough here and our trade has gone profitable. Well, let's keep on our trading. Here you can also see the resistance level. At this moment the price is approaching our level. You can notice several touches the price has been moving along our level. There's been a small flat, and although the price is staying so close, the level hasn't been broken through yet. And also after a big bounce down, the price has strongly approached our level and it's starting breaking it through. The last few candlesticks indicate this. They move the level up with their wicks and this can be noticed. That's why we are entering a trade with up here on the assumption that it's gonna be broken through. Well guys, let's check how it closes this time. Well guys, the price has impulsively broken through our resistance level and we're getting the excellent profit. I want to open the next trade right here. Let's wait for the price to slow down a little and then pull back down. And we will open a trade with down. As in most cases, after a strong impulse, the price begins to roll back in the opposite direction. Well guys, let's make it open. It's great guys, here we have got the pullback down and our trade is net positive again. Well, let's keep on now trading. Here you can see the support level. At this moment the price has already touched this level and then pulled back up. And here you can notice the price is coming to the level again. So let's wait for the price to touch the level. Check how the price will touch it. If it's impulsively, we will enter a trade in the opposite direction, that is for an increase, you know. Here you can see a strong impulse down to our support level, so I'm sure to enter a trade in the opposite direction with up for 1 minute. Well guys, let's check what results will be this time. Well guys, from the support level there is a pullback up and we are getting a good profit here. At this moment we can see the price has been moving along the level, so I want to check the further price movement, check what's going to happen. Since if it's keeping to moving along, so we need to open a trade with down on the breakthrough of the level, because I see the downward movement here and the price highs are getting lower and lower and it indicates that the support level is going to be broken through. So guys, let's wait for the pullback up here and from the highest point open a trade with down on the assumption that the price will break through our level. Let's do it for 3 minutes with the reserve, because we can have a small flat or the retracement, it needs time, and after that the price will go lower. Well, it's brilliant guys, our trade closed in the profit, so let's keep on. Well guys, here you can see a mirror level. On the left side you can see that the price has already touched our level and then pulled back, and it approached our level from bottom to top and then broke it through and fixed over it, and the price went higher and again returned to the level from top to bottom. That is, so previously it was a resistance level and now it is a support level. Well, are we going to wait until the price touches our level again, and from this point we will open a trade with up on the assumption that the level gives direction and the price will go higher. Well guys, let's wait for the results. Well, it's awesome guys, from our support level there is a small pullback and we're getting the great profit. Our deposit is almost $7,000 and I suggest entering one more trade, the last for today, and then finish our trading. Well, let's do that. The next trade that we are going to work out, we will open on the resistance level. At this moment the price has already touched our level and then it pulled back. After that the price again came to our resistance level, and you can notice that here the price has been moving along right along the level, and after that the price broken it through and fixed over the resistance level. Now it is the support level, so I suggest waiting for the price to drop to the support level and enter trades from this point with up for 3 minutes with the reserve, on the assumption that if there is a small retracement or a small flat or even a small pullback, we will close our trades in profit. Well guys, let's check the results this time. Well guys, as I've expected, after a small flat the price went impulsively up. Here we have received a continuation of the uptrend and our transactions brought us the amazing profit. Our deposit now is $9,316, but we were started with only $10, and I really like these results. It's high time to finish our trading for today. You know, in just 2.5 hours we have received such excellent results, and thank you so much for all your birthday greetings, because I really expect so much from you and I really feel happy about it. But actually, if you want to give me something, I mean presents, don't do that, because the best present that you can give me is to subscribe to my private chat and Telegram. And my goal, you know, my birthday goal, my supreme goal is to gain 1,000 members in this private chat. And do you know, there are already 500 people on my chat. You can see that in the photo I've attached. And I really hope that after this video I will gain my goal. And so guys, you remember that you can find the link in the description, a link to my Telegram. Come to my Telegram, write me in direct messages, the code was private, and I will add you to this team and we will become the greatest team ever. So, and you remember that signals in this trading signals, I mean, are of 80 and 90% yield. It's very cool, it's super crazy, and I really want you to be with me. So thank you so much guys. I'm going to celebrate and I want you to celebrate it with me in your place. So goodbye, see you next time.